Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to lock gallery in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and you want to lock your gallery, so let's see how can you do this. Here's the gallery app and now I'm going to lock this. So let's see how. Just open your Play Store app, go for search, and here you just have to search for app lock pro. Just search for this, and then you just have to install this app. Just tap on install and it will be installed on your phone. Now just wait for its installation, then we'll have a simple setup. After installation, just have one open and here just make a simple setup. First of all, just have to create a pin. Just have one 6-digit pin and here you can easily select which one you want to log. And I'm going to select pattern. You can easily select pattern, knockout or 4-digit pin. I'm going to select 4-digit pin here. Then tap on OK. Just create a pin. Then select create. Then enter your pin again to confirm. Select save. Just tap on understood and then select permit. Here just enable app lock pro. Now tap on permit again, then allow, then permit again, then enable that toggle. And here you just have to select gallery. Just look for that. Here you'll get the locked app section. Here you just have to make sure that your gallery app is under the locked app section. After that, just go back, go for main screen, and here you just have to open gallery. Now whenever you want to open your gallery app, it will remind you to enter the password just like that. Just open gallery. First of all, enter password and then you can enter the gallery. So that's how you can easily lock your gallery in Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.